What I think is so crazy is that everyone talks about the fact that you need more discipline, but no one tells you how to become more disciplined. See, as we all know, trading is not a game of strategy. Trading is a game of your mindset. By now, you know how to draw a support and resistance zone. You know how to enter a trade, you know how to go long, you know how to go short. More importantly, you know where to set your take profit and you know where to put your stop loss. But what happens when you're in the trade? Let me talk to you about something other people aren't talking to you about. You don't need more discipline and you don't need more patience. You need to change one thing. It's your identity. It's your beliefs. This is what happens. You have a trading identity. Now, this trading identity has been created by your beliefs. But your beliefs, they dictate your behaviors. They dictate your actions. Now, every time you have an action based on a belief, you continue to reinforce this identity. Also, if you're new here, I'm Nav, I'm a futures trader, but I'm also a specialist in trading psychology, which basically means I know how to help you. Now, here's the part that so many of you know in theory, but you don't apply it. Everything is created on a foundation. A foundation sets you up for success. Now, we all know trading is made up of strategy and psychology. But how much focus do you put into your psychology versus how much focus do you put into your strategy? How many times have you closed a winning position early and blamed your strategy when you know it's your psychology? So really my biggest question is, what are you doing about it? Why are you sitting in a cycle of bullshit, going through stuff every single day and not getting closer to your goals and blaming your strategy? You know that this game is played with 80% psychology, yet you continue to focus on strategy. Everything in life has a foundation. You've confused the foundation with the final product and you're blaming yourself every single day unfairly for not being at your end goal. Do you even hear how crazy you sound? Let me break this down to you using the analogy of a house. You decided one day, I want to be a trader. You started doing research. You laid down the foundation to the house. You had an idea. Maybe you learned a little bit about support and resistance. Maybe you even learned how to take profit, but you still didn't have a solid strategy that you were able to practice over and over and over again. Now you broke ground. But now comes the next step. You started taking trading seriously. You learned that trading is about investing. You started learning someone's strategy. You started applying it. You started practicing it. You built the 4 walls of your house. So now you have strategy and practice under your belt. Screen time, right? Everyone says it. You need more screen time. That's not true. You do need screen time. Don't get me wrong. But what you really need to do is to change your beliefs. The only reason you need more screen time is so you can get sick of yourself and actually change your beliefs. So this is something that always confuses me. You've come into trading because you know it's about investment, right? Yet you invest one time into your education and you think you're meant to be a pro. Now, I don't blame you. There's not many resources for trading psychology. It's really not taken seriously, and it's insane. So what ends up happening? You end up dealing with rain. One day everything's fine. You're following someone's strategy. It's working for you, and then the weather changes in the market and it's a shit show. Then on a random day, the sun comes out and you think, oh, everything's fine. These problems were just caused by my strategy. I need to practice more because now I'm having good results. So that must have been the reason it was bad. My strategy needs more practice. I'm slightly smiling when I say that because it's actually crazy that you go through all this work and then you forget to put the damn roof on. You forget to take care of your roof. You forget to fully make yourself waterproof to the rain by changing your beliefs, which will change your actions, which will change your trading identity and give you the results that you freaking deserve. Maybe this is an aha moment for you to realize, oh, I'm not actually doing something wrong. There's just another step. I just don't have the final product. I've only built the foundation. This is where you truly graduate, and this is where the results are born. That's all I've got to say, really. Hopefully it's an aha moment for you and you can realize you're not the problem. Your trading identity is. And I'm going to help you change it. So I'll see you soon.